I got a brand new subscription box for me anyway, and I believe the subscription box hasn't been out long either, and it's Letterbox Lashes. So this is a false lash subscription box, and it comes in a letterbox friendly box like this. And yeah, it's really cool. I'm so excited to hear that there was a subscription for false eyelashes, so I had to get it. So if you don't know anything about Letterbox Lashes, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. Now, it is a monthly subscription box, and it's a rolling one, and you're free to cancel after 2 months subscription. So I have got this month and I've got next month coming, and then I've halted my subscription because I just wanted to see what it was like, to have a feel for it, and if I really like it, then I'll come back to it at a later time, or around party season and things like that, where I do wear a lot more eyelashes than normal. Christmas, I'm thinking. So this box costs £10 a month, and it includes postage and packaging, so a really good price. And inside the box you get 4 false eyelashes, 4 sets of false eyelashes, and the adhesive glue as well. Now you get to choose whether you want 4 sets of day lashes, 4 sets of night lashes, or what I've gone for 2 days and 2 evening lashes. So I thought mix it up a little bit. So in this video I'm going to be applying one of the night lashes to show you, and in the next month's video I'll apply one of the day lashes to show you as well. I am anticipating that I might have to trim them down. I always trim my eyelashes down because I've got quite small eyes, and I don't like when they go right the way over my eyes. I prefer more 3/4 length type ones. So I might do that, but that's no reflection on the subscription box. So I just opened it up here. It's got my address on the back there. So it arrives like this, so loose. So I'm going to have to tip it out. Hang on. Okay, there's one. I'll put them down the side of me. I'll just put the worms on the floor, tidy it up afterwards. Oh, there's another. Oops. There's a bag here. I will show you properly. There's another one there. What else we got? A little leaflet and another pair. And is that it? Is there a better way of opening? There might be. I suppose if I'd opened it up here, if I sliced it down there, then I would have opened it flat. That would have been better, but no. Me being me, I opened it up this way. Something fell on the floor. I'll have a look where that is. Right, I'll know for next month I will open it up the proper way. Me being stupid. So you're supposed to open it up like that, like a proper box. And it'll all be looking lovely in there, I'm sure, but I just did it a gift way, but excuse me. So I'll do it properly next time. So on here it just tells you all the social media, so if you want to have a look, it's there. Everything I talk about in this video I will link down below. Just click on the show more and that'll bring up descriptions. So links to the subscription will be listed down there, so take a look there afterwards if you're interested. So the leaflet, it says eyes without lashes are like cake without frosting. Absolutely. So then I have a little like business card there. All come individually packaged. I'll show you one by one in a minute, and on the side it's got or on the back I should say, it's got the name and what type of lashes they are. You also get a little pouch, and in here is your glue. No brand name as such on the glue, but it's your usual size, and it tells you all about the ingredients in the glue and everything, so that's handy. So if you have got a reaction to any of the ingredients in here, at least you can read up on that first. But no, I quite like that. I quite like the little pouch. And then there's another little pouch that fell out, and it says free gift on it. I love the colour of this, bright pink, bright pink. And it is, I don't know what it is. What is it? It looks like a nail ring. Yeah. It looks like a nail ring. Not really my style, but I'll give it to my daughter. She might like it. It's not bad. It's not bad. Excuse my big one there. It's not too bad, is it? It looks all right. But I think it's more of my daughter's style. So back to the lashes. I'll just show you the day lashes. The first one is called Char, and this is a day style. They look fab. They look absolutely gorgeous. It's like a double layer. I'm not sure if you can see, it's like 2 layers coming up. Now, I don't like my lashes to be really massive and thick, but so I probably wear these in the evening, but that's just me, it's my just personal style, isn't it? But no, they are beautiful. The actual band is quite thick, so it's quite hard to disguise that to make it look quite natural for day, unless you wear like a bit of a smudge of eyeshadow on your eyes like I'm wearing today, or like a black eyeliner, winged eyeliner, then you won't notice a thing. So for day lashes I tend to go for ones that have lots and lots of gaps in, so not a thick band across the top, because it just means that I don't have to wear much makeup and they look like my own. But no, they're beautiful. Yeah, beautiful, really, really nice, and they're nice and fluffy. And then the next day one is called Eyelash, and again, a beautiful style, really like them, really like them. These are more what I would wear during the day. Do you see what I mean? There's more gaps in between. So the band is a lot thinner, and the style I love. I love where it wings out at the corners as well, and it tapers in the middle. So I'll probably cut it off around there. But oh, I love them. I do. It's definitely ones that I would wear in the day. Very similar to Ardell Wispies. I'm not sure what the quality is like, but I am going to try one of the nighttime ones and have a really good feel and stuff then. But no, I'm really chuffed for them. I love the day lashes. Whoa! The first night lash, these are huge. They're called Millie, and it's the nighttime style. But obviously it's up to you. You could wear them in the day. So we got the thick band, and we got really full wispy lashes there. They're really nice, they're really nice. There's a few layers crossing over as well, which look natural. I really like that. So really big and fluffy, really pretty. And then we've got, these are even thicker. Wow, these are called Olivia. I'm gonna try these ones, definitely. I'm not used to trying big massive ones like this, so I'm gonna give them a go. They are really nice, they're a lot thicker. So the difference between the two, you can see there. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can see properly. What is it focusing on? Silly camera. There, so that's the first night one, and that's the second night one. So really nice. So I'm going to try these ones. Now these are huge, in all honesty. They are, the band is so thick, but it's quite normal for thicker eyelashes. The feel is lovely. The feel's really nice and soft. Don't feel hard and plasticky as they initially looked when I saw them. I thought they might be quite plastic, but they're not. They feel really, really nice and soft and fluffy. So my concern is the band. The band is quite thick with a lot of glue. You can see the glue there. I'm really not sure if you'd be able to pick it up on the camera, but yeah. And look what I've got. Oh, I got a Jeffree Star mirror. There you go. You can see yourself on the camera. Or maybe not. But yeah, it was a birthday gift from a friend. I absolutely love it. I'm fed up of holding those tiny little mirrors. I wanted a nice one that I can hold. So when I trim them, it does alter the shape a little bit, but that's not the fault of the subscription. It's mine, because I like to trim them. So using the glue that came with the lashes. It's a clear glue. Wait for that to get a bit tacky. Wow, that glue is fab. Really, really good glue. I don't know what make or anything it is, because it doesn't say, but it is really good. So there's my first eyelash. Now what I could have done, or what I will do, just to make it look a little bit more shaped, because I've cut it, I'm just going to trim, not now, but when I use them again, I'll just trim this very outer lash a little bit shorter, so it looks like it's sort of going into my eyes. It looks kind of as if it could be natural then, but no, they feel fine. The band is quite thick, but because I've got mascara on already and I've got quite a dark smoky eye look, then it's not too bad. So there's the lashes. I'll just zoom in a little bit. Woo! There. What I would normally do now is I'd fill it in my waterline underneath my lashes here, just so that it connects the corners, so it's a little bit darker, so the lashes flow a bit. I think they're quite pretty. They're really nice. They're quite nice and fluttery. They're the most extreme lashes I would wear. I wouldn't wear anything any thicker or darker. Well, darker doesn't matter, but thicker. I think, in all honesty, I would do more of a darker lid eye colour, just that it blends in a little bit more. For me it's a little bit woohoo, because I'm not used to wearing eyelashes like this, but I just fancied trying them out, because why not? I should be wearing different types of eyelashes, not sticking to my normal ones all the time, even though I love them. But no, I'm quite chuffed with them. I can't wait to try the others. I'll just zoom back out. Ooh. But yeah, I knew that I would have to trim them, because I just always have to. I know I do, because I've got small eyes and I don't like them being really, you know, wide than all my eyes. But yeah, no, I'm quite chuffed. I think for £10, you're talking £2.50 a pair, which is half the price of what the normal lashes I go for. So yeah, I think if I was to carry on the subscription, I would just opt for day lashes, because I think the 2 day lashes are stunning, and you know, they're thick enough and big enough for me. I just think they're really, really pretty. These are the type of ones I generally go for, but those are so pretty and fluffy. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Do you get letterbox lashes? I'd love to know if you do too, and what your thoughts are on which type of lashes you go for. And if also, do you have trouble finding lashes to fit your eyes? Are you another trimmer like me? But yeah, all comments I will read and I'll try to reply. So I love just reading it all through and everything, seeing what you think anyway. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.